Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you what I did with some thrifted pants. I found these cute pants while I was thrifting, and I love the way that they fit and the feel of them. They're nice and cool, but they have no pockets, and it's driving me crazy. So let me show you what I did. Using my quick win pattern for the pocket, I chose the rail fence block from my summer nights instead of the heart. You can do any of the small blocks for the pocket in either the summer nights, or you can also use any of my sampler booklets. So watch for those. I have 2 right now, but more are coming. So this is my rail fence block. According to the directions, I prepped the lining of my pocket and I put them right sides together. Prepped my pockets. And I'm taking my pants and I'm going to pin my pockets on. I always use my fingers to measure. I probably should use a ruler, but I do use my fingers. And then I'm just going to pin my pocket in place, just making sure I only go through 1 layer. Otherwise, I won't be able to get into my pants. Once I get my pockets on, I'm just going to take it to the sewing machine. I'm going to start stitching here. I'm going to back stitch, and I'm going to go all the way around, and then I'm going to back stitch here. That will just reinforce where there's pressure on my pocket and help it to stay in place and not tear off, which we don't want. And I'll do that on both of those pockets. And there you have it. Cute pockets on my pocketless pants. Now I can put my phone in them. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye-bye.